How to manage learners. In order to supervise the seats that you've purchased and manage the learners on the system, go to the Learners section of the dashboard. From here, you will see information on all of the learners that are using your course. The information provided will give you the name of the learner as they've entered it onto the system, whether the learner is associated with your organization directly or is working with a vendor, the amount of time they've spent in the course, the language of instruction the learner used, and whether they've completed the course, they're still in progress, or whether you've terminated them or not. For learners that have completed the course, once their certificate expires, this will change to say expired. For learners that are in progress in the course, there will be times where they lose that learner code that's provided to them in the upper left-hand corner of the learner experience. Sometimes they forget, sometimes they lose it, sometimes they run into technical problems. In these cases, you can come onto the dashboard and you can either download a QR code to get them back into the same place, or you can click on their learner code here to copy that learner code into your clipboard to be able to email them or send them through some sort of messaging app. For learners that have completed the course, they do not need to present you their certificate. You will have access to it right here. If you click on this link, you'll be taken to their certificate where you will be able to download it, print it, or email it based on whatever your organization needs are. Also, you're able to change the language of the certificate to any language that we have within the system. So perhaps somebody has taken the course in English, but for government regulations, you need a copy in Mandarin. You just come here and change the language to Mandarin. From here again, you can download, print, or email a copy of that certificate. Further, if you need a copy of all of this information, you can download it to CSV so you can put it into your HR system or have some access to it somewhere else. A quick note about learner names. The learners are not required to enter their names in English or an anglicized version of their name. We have set up the system to be truly international to take any language necessary for learners to enter their name. Now finally, as we mentioned in other videos, if a learner does not complete the course, you can come in here, select a particular learner, and as long as the learner is in progress, you can come up here and terminate that seat. As soon as you terminate the seat, that particular session is now terminated and the seat goes from in progress to being available for another learner to use.